Tired of the same old vacation routine? Yearning for adventure? Craving sun-drenched beaches and a taste of authentic culture? We all dream of escaping the ordinary. Imagine a place where the sun always shines, the sand stretches for miles, and the locals welcome you with open arms. This isn't a fantasy. It's Corralejo, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Canary Islands. Corralejo is more than just a pretty beach town. It's a melting pot of cultures, a playground for adventurers, a haven for those seeking relaxation. But planning the perfect trip can feel overwhelming. Where do you start? What are the must-see spots? How do you avoid the tourist traps and experience the real Corralejo? Relax, we've got you covered. This is your insider's guide to Corralejo, designed to help you navigate this island paradise like a pro. Close your eyes. Picture this. Volcanic peaks pierce the sky, casting long shadows over a stark yet beautiful landscape. The air is thick with the smell of salt and sand. This is Fuerteventura, millions of years ago, a land forged by fire and sculpted by the relentless Atlantic. Fast forward to the 14th century. European explorers arrive, drawn by tales of a mythical island shrouded in legend. They called it Fuerteventura, strong fortune, a name that speaks to the island's enduring spirit. Today, the echoes of this volcanic past are everywhere. Wander through the otherworldly landscapes of Corralejo Natural Park, where towering dunes of golden sand meet the crashing waves. Explore the ancient lava fields, frozen in time, a testament to the island's fiery birth. Corralejo wasn't always a bustling tourist hub. Life here was once defined by the rhythm of the sea. Generations of fishermen cast their nets into the Atlantic, hauling in the fresh catch that would sustain their families. This deep connection to the ocean is woven into the very fabric of Corralejo's identity. But Corralejo is more than just a fishing village. It's a place where cultures collide and traditions intertwine. The island's strategic location, a crossroads between continents, has attracted settlers, traders, and adventurers for centuries. This melting pot of influences is reflected in the island's architecture, its music, its food. So you want to experience the real Corralejo? The one that exists beyond the tourist traps and crowded beaches? The key is simple. Embrace the local vibe. Slow down. Ditch the itinerary. Let the island's rhythm guide you. Start your day like a local with a cortado, a strong espresso cut with a splash of warm milk at a small cafe tucked away on a side street. Engage in conversation with the locals. Don't be afraid to try your hand at a few words of Spanish. A simple hola or gracias goes a long way. Explore the local markets where you'll find everything from fresh produce and spices to handmade crafts and souvenirs. The Canary Islands are known for their vibrant fiestas, and Corralejo is no exception. These celebrations are more than just parties. They're a living expression of the island's soul, a chance to experience the true spirit of Corralejo. One of the most anticipated events is the Fiesta de la Virgen del Carmen, the patron saint of fishermen. Held in July, this vibrant celebration honors Corralejo's maritime heritage with a colorful procession of boats adorned with flowers and flags. But the party doesn't stop there. Throughout the year, Corralejo comes alive with a calendar full of fiestas, each with its unique flavor. From the lively carnival celebrations to the more intimate romerias, traditional pilgrimages, where locals dress in traditional clothing and walk for miles to honor their patron saints, there's always something to experience in Corralejo. Beyond the fiestas, Corralejo's cultural identity is woven from a rich tapestry of traditions passed down through generations. One such tradition is the art of calado canario, a delicate form of embroidery that originated in the Canary Islands. Another enduring tradition is the making of gofio, a toasted grain flour that has been a staple of the Canarian diet for centuries. These traditions are more than just relics of the past. They are a living testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the people of Corralejo. The true magic of Corralejo lies in its ability to surprise you. It's a place where you can wander down a narrow side street and stumble upon a hidden courtyard filled with the scent of jasmine, where a chance encounter with a local fisherman can lead to an impromptu lesson in knot tying. So, ditch the itinerary and embrace the unexpected. Let your curiosity guide you. Strike up conversations with the locals in cafes and bars. Ask questions. Learn a few basic Spanish phrases. The more you open yourself up to the serendipitous moments, the more you'll discover the true heart of Corralejo. Forget fancy restaurants and Michelin stars. In Corralejo, the best meals are often the simplest. Fresh-caught seafood, grilled to perfection, seasoned with nothing more than a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of sea salt. Corralejo's culinary scene is a love letter to the ocean. Generations of fishermen have honed their skills, ensuring that only the highest quality catches make it to your plate. Start with pulpo a la gallega, tender octopus drizzled with olive oil and paprika. Or try vieja, a local fish, pan-fried until its skin is crispy and golden. The secret to Corralejo's culinary success? Respect for tradition, a deep understanding of the sea, and a passion for simple, fresh ingredients. Ready to embark on a culinary adventure? Ditch the formal dining experience and dive into the world of tapas. These small plates, bursting with flavor, are the heart and soul of Spanish cuisine. In Corralejo, tapas are more than just a meal. They're a way of life. Gather your friends, pull up a chair at a bustling tapas bar, and prepare to be wowed. Start with the classics, patatas bravas, crispy potatoes slathered in a spicy tomato sauce, and tortilla española, a thick, savory omelet made with potatoes and onions. While Corralejo's beach bars offer breathtaking ocean views and refreshing cocktails, don't limit your culinary explorations to the waterfront. Venture inland, and you'll discover a world of hidden culinary gems. Family-run restaurants tucked away on cobblestone streets offer a taste of authentic Canarian cuisine. These traditional dishes, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into the heart of Canarian culture. Sure, Corralejo's beaches are legendary, but this island paradise offers so much more than just sand and surf. Adventure awaits around every corner, from volcanic landscapes to hidden coves, each experience more unforgettable than the last. Head north to Corralejo Natural Park, a world of towering sand dunes stretching as far as the eye can see. Hike to the summit of Calderon Hondo, a dormant volcano offering panoramic views of the island's rugged beauty. For a truly unique experience, rent a dune buggy and tear across the sands, the wind whipping through your hair as you navigate this exhilarating natural playground. Corralejo's adventures extend beyond its shores. Just a short ferry ride away lies Isla de Lobos, a tiny island paradise teeming with natural wonders. Named after the monk seals that once called this island home, Lobos is a haven for hikers, snorkelers, and anyone seeking a tranquil escape. Follow the winding trails that crisscross the island, discovering hidden coves and secluded beaches. Dive into the crystal-clear waters, teeming with colorful fish and marine life. Hike to the summit of Mount Caldera, the island's highest point, and soak in breathtaking views of Corralejo's coastline. Corralejo isn't just for thrill seekers. This island paradise offers something for everyone, from families with young children to couples seeking a romantic getaway. Head to Aqua Water Park, a splash-filled wonderland guaranteed to bring out the kid in everyone. Zoom down water slides, float along the lazy river, or simply relax by the pool while the little ones splash and play. For a more educational experience, visit the Fuerteventura Oasis Park, home to hundreds of animal species from around the world. Get up close and personal with lemurs. Marvel at the intelligence of parrots and learn about conservation efforts protecting these amazing creatures. No family trip to Corralejo is complete without a visit to the beach. Flag Beach, with its calm, shallow waters, is perfect for young children. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the Atlantic, Corralejo sheds its daytime skin and transforms. The energy shifts. The air crackles with anticipation. This is Corralejo after dark, where the party never stops, and the nights are as long as you want them to be. Don't expect mega clubs or thumping techno. Corralejo's nightlife is more about laid-back vibes, live music spilling onto the streets and dancing under the stars. Think barefoot bars on the beach, the sand still warm beneath your feet. Imagine sipping cocktails as the moon paints a silver path across the ocean. Whether you're looking for a romantic evening under the stars or a night of dancing with friends, Corralejo after dark won't disappoint. Music, mojitos, and moonlight. Finding your rhythm. Start your evening with a sunset ritual. Find a beachfront bar, preferably one with live music. Order a mojito muddled with fresh mint and lime, the perfect balance of sweet and tart. As the sky explodes in a riot of orange, pink, and purple, feel the stress of the day melt away. Let the music guide you. Corralejo's nightlife scene is a melting pot of genres, from traditional Canary and folk music to reggae beats and Latin rhythms. Find a band that speaks to your soul and let the music move you. As the night heats up, follow the locals. They know the best spots, the hidden gems tucked away on side streets, where the drinks are strong and the music is even stronger. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation, to join in the dance. In Corralejo, the night is young and everyone's invited to the party. For those seeking a more energetic vibe, Corralejo has plenty to offer. Head to the main strip, where bars and clubs pulse with energy until the early hours. Dance the night away to international DJs spinning the latest hits, or find a local bar with a live band playing everything from rock to salsa. But remember, Corralejo's nightlife is more than just bars and clubs. Embrace the unexpected. Join a beach bonfire party, the flames dancing in rhythm with the waves. Take a moonlit stroll along the beach. The only sound, the gentle lapping of the water. Or find a secluded spot and gaze up at the stars. The Milky Way, a dazzling display above. In Corralejo, the night is yours to define. Whether you're seeking a romantic interlude, a wild night out, or simply a change of pace, let the island's energy guide you. Embrace the night and create memories that will last long after the sun comes up. So, you're ready to trade in the ordinary for the extraordinary. You're dreaming of sun-drenched beaches, volcanic landscapes, and the vibrant culture of Corralejo. But before you pack your bags, let's ensure you're equipped for the ultimate island adventure. First things first, the best time to visit Corralejo is, well, anytime. Fuerteventura, the island of eternal spring, boasts year-round sunshine and balmy temperatures. Whether you're escaping the winter blues or seeking a summer escape, Corralejo welcomes you with open arms. Getting around is a breeze. Rent a car to explore the island at your own pace, venturing off the beaten path to discover hidden coves and charming villages. Or embrace the local vibe and hop on a bus, an affordable and efficient way to experience Corralejo like a true islander. Don't worry about breaking the bank. Corralejo caters to every budget. Indulge in fresh seafood at local restaurants, savor tapas at bustling bars, or pack a picnic and find a secluded spot on the beach. Remember, the best experiences are often the simplest. Embrace the slower pace of island life. Ditch the itinerary and allow yourself to get lost in the moment. Strike up conversations with the locals, practice your Spanish, and savor every sunset as if it were your last. Corralejo isn't just a destination, it's a state of mind. It's a place where you can reconnect with yourself, embrace the simple pleasures, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean, the smell of salty air filling your lungs. Picture yourself strolling barefoot along the beach, the sand still warm from the morning sun. Think of lazy afternoons spent exploring hidden coves, the only sound the gentle lapping of the waves. Envision evenings filled with laughter, music, and the clinking of glasses as you share tapas with newfound friends. This is the magic of Corralejo, a place where time slows down and the everyday worries of life fade into the background. It's a place where you can rediscover the joy of adventure, the thrill of the unknown, and the simple pleasure of being present in the moment. It's a place to escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. So, what are you waiting for? The sun-drenched beaches, the volcanic landscapes, the vibrant culture of Corralejo are calling your name. Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and prepare to discover the ultimate island paradise. Book your trip today and let Corralejo work its magic. This is your chance to escape the ordinary, to embrace the unexpected, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't just dream about it, do it. Corralejo awaits, ready to welcome you with open arms and a heart full of sunshine. Your adventure starts now. And remember, as you're sipping mojitos under a starlit sky, don't forget to share your experiences with the world. Tag your photos with Corralejo Adventure and inspire others to discover the magic of this island paradise. If you enjoy this video and find some value in it, don't forget to show the channel some love and hit that bell button so you never miss another video. If you want, give me a like and a comment below and subscribe the channel. Okay, fellow travelers, see you on the next adventure.